To make rock candy, first wet a wooden skewer and roll it in granulated sugar. Set the skewer aside to dry. Then bring 1 cup, 240 milliliters of water to a boil over medium heat. Gradually stir in 2 cups of granulated sugar until all of the sugar dissolves. Then remove the pan from the heat. Add 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of food coloring, as well as 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters of candy oil, also known as flavoring oil. Let the mixture cool for 10 minutes, then pour it into a clean jar. Now pinch a clothespin over the end of the sugar-coated skewer and insert the skewer into the jar so the clothespin is resting across the top. Cover the top of the jar loosely with plastic wrap and set it aside for 3 to 5 days. Once the rock candy has reached the size you want, remove it from the jar and place it in a new empty jar to dry.